everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and I'm coming to you with the final on my Volksrod build. As you can see the picture in the background, that's a Volkswagen. It's a 1963 VW Bug that I chopped the top, lowered it, extended the front 12 inches, fenderless, made it a Volksrod. I built that many years ago. Like I said, I think it was about 2008 when I sold it, somewhere around in there. I can't exactly remember when, but that's one of the cars I kind of wish I still had, but the wife really didn't care for it. So I went on and done other things, but years ago I'd started building a model probably about the same time that I finished that up, and then it just sat in the box. I cut the fenders off of it, sat in the box, and I never finished it. So this is what this video is. It's the final on that stalled project, and Tim got me to thinking about that with his Volkswagen car show he'd went to and everything. Bunch of beautiful cars and everything. Like I said, I used to do the Volkswagen thing. I was in the Volkswagen community years ago, did all the Volkswagen stuff, shows, everything. But now I kind of got into the British car thing, and I got several MGs sitting out there that I need to finish up. But right now models have been my priority. I haven't been hardly messing with any of them real cars, but I'll get on them one of these days. But so and if y'all ever get a chance, go over to go over to Tim's channel, and let me see, let me find his shop card over here. I got a whole stack full of shop cards. Let me get it out of here for you. Right there. There you go. There, old Tim at Throttle Power. Go check him out. He's got a lot of car show videos on there. Car shows he goes to, and he films and everything, and he's a hell of a model builder too. So go check old Tim out. And here you go. This is my final, and this is my Volksrod. You can see it's fairly close to what I had going on as far as the real car. Now the Maltese crosses, I had to cut those out, and I just did the best I can. That's just a sticker on the side that I cut out and put on there. But there she is. Let me get that over here. Let me back this phone up here a little bit. Show y'all what I got going on here. Hopefully y'all can see that real good. Let me kind of deal with this. My lighting here and everything's not the best. Heard the cannon go off. Football game's fixing to start. High school football tonight. I live over here by the high school, and the cannon just went off. There's my rat tail I built. If you can see, I'll pop the hood here. I don't know if you can, so I'm going to take it off this just for a second. There's the checkerboard. I hand painted that checkerboard. It's not the best in the world, but I wired the motor up. The motor looks pretty much exactly the way I had mine on the real car. Tail lights. Oh, I just knocked off a headlight. I'm going to have to glue that back on. Put that back down here. There's the headlight, minus a headlight. I just glued it onto a little piece of photo etched over here, and it's, matter of fact, I had a photo etched hood script that said Volkswagen right here. I wiped it off a while ago and lost it. So, it's in the carpet monster, and there's never finding it. So I'm just going to have to find me another photo etched hood emblem right there, just like my car had it right there too. I don't know if you can see the inside of here. The red seats, white steering wheel, got the gas tank in the back. But good side view of it. Give you a good go around here. Minus a headlight, I got to glue back on here in just a minute. But there she is. And stick around after this After I get done talking here, I'll have the build pics, and I'll even throw in some build pics from the actual car when I chop the top on it and everything. So if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.